Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean my car with me video. I don't have a huge mess to show you because if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I'm a clean freak and as soon as I see dirt I have to clean it right away. The only problem I have are the rubber mats. They get dirty pretty fast and they hold a lot of dirt, so they need a good wash this time. And for this video I partnered with SuperClean team to run a giveaway. They will be offering 3 sets of 4-pack SuperClean products, a t-shirt and a hat. So if you are interested in winning one of the 3 prizes, head over to the description box for all the details on how to enter this giveaway. I'm gonna start off with the rubber mats. I'm gonna take them out because they need a good scrub. And when I'm done with this, I'm going to vacuum the inside of the car and the trunk, dust the dashboard, clean the windows, and that's pretty much what I do, maybe like once a week. But as I mentioned earlier, if at the end of the day I know there was a spill on one of the seats or crumbs or something, I try to vacuum or wipe it off right away. I don't let it sit for long, because it helps me keep the car clean and organized. And if you can do that few minutes, I don't know, maybe not every day but every other day, it's gonna help keep your car clean. It's been so hot here in Arizona, but I had to film this video. And no matter if you're inside the garage or outside, it's the same to me. And I feel like I was in a sauna the whole time I filmed this video, so I apologize if I look too sweaty, but that's how I am. I sweat a lot. In this weather it's impossible for me not to sweat. But I hope you enjoyed this video, so keep please watching. Thank you. That's all I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed my short video, and please don't forget to check the description box on how to enter this giveaway. I'm gonna choose 3 winners at the end of the month. Good luck to everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.